Right, so as you can see, we got another software update coming in, 2023.7.30. So let's go ahead and take a look at the car, but you can also look at the release notes here. I'm just going to quickly scroll through it, and you can stop, pause, and read if you want. But what was it, 2023.7.30? So I guess that's it, and then this is all old stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the car now. Okay, so in the car it's showing it will start automatically, I guess, at 12:50 a.m. or if you schedule it actually. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. Anyways, it's going to update to 2023.7.30. Let's go ahead and take a look at the software we currently have on there. So software. All right, so we currently have FSD beta 11.4.4 and yeah, 2023.7.30. I think it's going to update to 11.4.6. It showed, where did it show? The release notes. Oh, this is showing the old release notes. So let me show you the new release notes again. All right, so here we have the new update release notes, and here you go. This has the 2023.7.26 with FSD beta 11.4.6 updates. So yeah, I'm on, what am I currently on? 2023.7.20. So I guess my car skipped a whole bunch of updates because I didn't get all of these. So you can kind of read through and see, but this is what I'm currently on, 2023.7.20. And yeah, all right, anyways, let's run the update. Sorry, I cut myself off, and we'll say install now. You can see it has a 2-minute timer. Just keep tapping this and it will start immediately. All right, so I'm gonna let this run, and then I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I got a notification on my phone. Software update is complete. Let's go to the car and take a look. All right, so here you can see we got 2023.7.30, full self-driving beta, autopilot improvements, FSD beta 11.4.7, and all this other stuff. So let's kind of scroll through. I think it's probably the same stuff that I showed on the phone, but if you want, you can go ahead and pause and read this. Oops, sorry. It's moving too fast. So you can pause and read that if you want. Next page. 11.4.7 beta. And yeah, you can just read all over this, and this is just going to be a short uploaded video because it's a lot of stuff going on. I don't know if anyone wants me to read it. I'll read it after this, just so anyone that doesn't want to just read it themselves can just sit and listen. Okay, so I'm going to go back now and I'm going to read it. If you're done with the video and you read it all yourself, then there you go. But anyways, full self-driving beta. You can enable FSD beta by tapping control, autopilot, full self-driving beta, and following the instructions, right? It's in early limited access beta and must be used with additional caution. May do the wrong thing at the worst time, so you must always keep your hands on the wheel and pay extra attention. This is the same information as always. It's just the warning, all right? So don't become complacent, all right? Sorry, pay extra attention to the road. Don't become complacent. And when it's enabled, it will make lane changes off the highway and select forks to follow your navigation route. And yeah, it'll also navigate around. Give me a second. It'll also navigate around. Shoot. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay, I'll navigate around other vehicles and objects, make left and right turns, use FSD beta only if you'll pay constant attention to the road and be prepared to act immediately, especially around blind corners, crossing intersections, and narrow driving situations. Alright, your vehicle is running on Tesla Vision. Tesla Vision also includes some temporary limitations. Follow distance is limited to 2 to 7, and autopilot top speed is 85. I haven't seen the 2 to 7. I guess is that just in regular autopilot? Because they got rid of that following distance. Now it just has like chill and assertive and stuff like that. Anyways, here's FSD beta 11.4.7. So you got improved short deadline lane changes to avoid going off route through better modeling off target lane vehicles to improve gap selection assertiveness. So this is useful because I've had the car where there's an exit coming up and it waits too long and then it can't get in, so it just keeps going. All right, improved offset consistency when controlling for static obstacles. Also improved smoothness when changing offset direction by adjusting speed more comfortably, so it's not going to make as abrupt speed changes. Improved handling on oncoming cars on narrow unmarked roads by improving prediction of oncoming cars' trajectory and leaving enough room for them to pass before recentering. All right, improved occupancy flow prediction from the occupancy network for arbitrary moving obstacles by 8%, expanded usage of new object ground truth auto labeler for non-VRU detection model, improving distant vehicle recall and geometry precision for semi-trucks, trailers, and exotic vehicles. So now it will detect strange, not as common vehicles as better. Improve VRU control by expanding planning scope to control gently, to improve, where'd it go? Gently for low confidence detections that may interfere with ego's path. Improved handling for VRUs near crosswalks by predicting their future intent more accurately. This was done by leveraging more pneumatic data to improve association between crosswalks and VRUs. Improved ego's behavior near VRUs by turning their assumed pneumatic properties and utilizing available semantic information to classify more accurately their probability of intersecting ego's path. Improved automatic emergency braking recall in response to cut-in vehicles and vehicles behind ego while reversing. All right, and then introduce automatic emergency braking on general obstacles detected by occupancy network. Full self-driving suspension stuff, so basically same thing as always. If you don't use it properly and it disengages, then you'll basically get kicked off the thing. But it gives you, so it'll disengage until you get out of the car and get back in. I've heard that you can make it quicker by parking the car, opening the charge port, and closing the charge port. Then you don't have to get out of the car. I don't know if they patched that, so I don't know if that trick will still work, but that's how they have it. I think, does it say here? It says it will be unavailable for approximately 1 week after, if you're suspended. But I think it gives you like 5 chances. It doesn't say in here, or maybe I didn't see it. Anyways, there's the cabin camera information. So basically it will tell you that the cabin camera above your rear view mirror will use that to know if you're paying attention and things like that. And then it will tell you like, hey, keep paying attention and stuff. And if you keep ignoring it, then yeah, it will shut off the beta. So that's pretty much it for now. I will be showing a FSD beta test if you want to see that later. And here you can see we have FSD beta 11.4.7. And there's the navigation maps 2023. We're on 2023.7.30, and then there's the navigation map data 2022.44. All right. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna make a FSD beta video test driving it to one of my customers. So yeah, that'll be soon. And yeah, feel free to watch that video so you can see how well it performs. I don't know if they improved the ability to do U-turns, because it couldn't do U-turns and stuff very well. Sometimes it wouldn't do it at all, or a lot of times it wouldn't do it at all. So yeah, keep watching my videos for more updates, and I'll upload an FSD beta drive video soon. All right, that's it. See you guys later.